guys know I couldn't show you the whole thing right off the bat. What's going on, guys? Motonosity here. I've got an unboxing today for something that's been pretty hyped up for the past few months. If you've been on Instagram and you're interested in motorcycles, you probably are familiar with the launch of Enginehawk, which is the new brand from Ruroc, which is the brand for helmets that I wear. Let me go get it real quick. So here is my Ruroc Atlas 2.0, and they're actually releasing the 3.0 pretty soon. But Ruroc has been on the scene for quite a while, but they just started doing motorcycle helmets a few years ago, and they are already, like I said, on 3.0 for this year. They're a sponsor for the channel, full disclosure, but I really like their helmets. They're really unique. And the nice thing about Ruroc is that they really listen to the community. I mean, it's 3 years now, and they come out with 3 versions of this Atlas helmet. So they're always taking into account what people are interested in, what they like and don't like about the helmets, and making improvements. Like, what other company is releasing a new version of a helmet every single year? But like I said, Ruroc is launching Enginehawk, which is their gear brand for motorcycle apparel and jackets and things like that. When this video goes live, this will be available. Yeah, they've launched Enginehawk. They wanted to make a company that basically had the same mentality of Ruroc with helmets, but for motorcycle gear. And if you guys have been riding for a while, you know that finding good gear that looks like it's not motorcycle gear is difficult. It's gotten a lot better in recent years, but Enginehawk is really trying to kind of make that the focus of the gear that they make. So, I've tried out a couple of their jackets so far that were just like prototype versions, but they sent out this production version. I don't know which one it is. So we'll go ahead and unbox this. I'll show you guys this one. We'll take a look, and then I'll also show you guys the other couple jackets that I have. But here we go. Look at that, Enginehawk. So, like I said, Ruroc sponsors me. I'm not sponsored by Enginehawk yet, but they sent this out to me, wanted to get my thoughts. All right, so we got a very nice, you know those like string backpacks you get for like random things free at like conventions and things like that? This is twice the size and really nice material. So we got that. And then here, okay, yeah, they did send the one that I thought I thought they would be sending. Airborne jacket. And it is a size extra large. Okay, so I'm still trying to figure out what is a good sizing for me. So let's go ahead and, oh, that's nice. Along the zipper on the inside, it's kind of like rubberized. I don't know the functional purpose of it, but it feels really nice. So you should be able to find a style that works for you. They've got like really nice styled leather jackets if you're into leather jackets. They've got some textile stuff. They've got stuff that looks like pullovers and hoodies and work shirts, and it's all full on actual motorcycle jackets. So it's got armor built in. It's got all the functionality that you would expect out of having in a motorcycle jacket, whether it be pockets, zippered air vents, buttons and clips in places that you need them. All right, so they've partnered with DuPont for the inner liner on this. DuPont Comfort Max Classic multi-layer fiber fill. So this is one of the textile jackets. So I usually wear an extra large in the other motorcycle jackets that I have. In my normal apparel, I usually wear a large. The jacket they sent me that was a prototype, and I'll show that to you, that was extra large. I feel like the stuff that they are making runs a hair bigger than most motorcycle gear does, but this one, there's definitely some room. There is definitely some extra size here. I can fold over probably about 3 to 4 inches of the jacket, but I'm a broad guy, so in the shoulders and in the arms, it feels pretty much perfect. It's just in the body, and that's a problem that I have with like regular clothes in general. So yeah, here at the bottom, I've definitely got like 4 to 5 inches of extra here. So a large might be like the perfect size for me. Material on the inside, this DuPont is really nice. It feels good. I'm told that it's pretty breathable. I tried one of their other jackets. I think it was the Raptor. It wasn't as breathable as I was hoping, and I'll show that to you guys. Here in the summer in Texas, it gets freaking hot. So I'm really hoping that This is a little bit more breathable. It still feels like it might be a little bit too thick for Texas summers, but if you ride in a place like Texas, you know that you're like, the heat is just something you're gonna have to deal with. The thing they're going for is having gear that looks really, really nice and doesn't look like it's motorcycle gear, but still has the same protections. So we've got a pocket on the right breast, same thing on the left side, same pocket, snap, snap. It looks like your chain, like a motorcycle chain, but that's the hook, like if you're gonna hang it up. So very nice touch. On the inside, we've got a really, really big pocket, and I think this is something they've pointed out with all of their stuff. The pockets on the inside have a lot of space. So a lot of space here for tossing who knows what into your jacket. They partnered with SassTech, and it says body protection inside. And it's really nice, compact and flexible armor. So if I open up the Velcro for the back, here is the armor. It's like high impact resistant, but it's really flexible. I can't remember, it's like tri bend or tri something or other. But yeah, it's really flexible and relatively thin for the protection that you're getting, which is really nice for making the jacket not look like it has a ton of armor in it. Now the question is, which way does it go in? I wasn't paying attention when I pulled it out. I'm sure if you're anything like me, the jacket you buy, you're probably not swapping out the armor. Even though a lot of the jackets that you can buy, you have the option of taking out the armor that comes with it and putting in something that is higher rated for protection if you want to. But my point being, it's nice to have something that's really good from the get-go. So if you're not replacing anything, you're still getting really good protection. We've got those pockets at the bottom. There's no like breast pocket here on the inside. Of course, you got the ones on the outside. Wrists, you got, you know, good standard double button options, so you can go tighter or looser. And then it comes up about 3-4 inches for getting your gloves in and out of the jacket sleeve. Branding on this jacket is really subtle. I like it a lot. So this is just embroidery here, so it's very subtle. You don't really notice it too much. Then you've of course got the Enginehawk down the center on the inside, and then on that left shoulder, you have that there. And then the buttons either say Enginehawk or they have the Enginehawk logo. That is the airborne jacket. I'll put it on for you guys one more time so you guys can see it. I really, really like this one. So that's the airborne jacket. Let me go ahead and grab a couple of the other jackets that I have, and I can show you those real quick. Again, those were sent to me a couple months ago, so they might not be identical to the production versions, but they should be pretty close. First up, go follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway for an Enginehawk jacket. So if you wanna have a chance to win one of those, make sure you go check out my Instagram. Details will be over there. If the post isn't up now, it should be up soon. But yeah, let's take a look at the other jacket. So this is one I just showed you. Definitely has more of a textile feel to it, whereas these have their like ballistic nylon material, kind of like a soft shell. It feels really nice, water resistant. So first up is the Raptor jacket, and this is, you know, something that's super casual. It looks like, you know, standard hooded windbreaker kind of jacket. Got a hood, really, really nice. There you go. And took me a minute to get that off the back, because one of the things that I really like about this, if you ever worn a hoodie while you ride, you know that it gets caught in the wind and then it's just really annoying. It's flapping all over the place. It has a built-in button on the back that pins down to the back, and that way it's not flapping around. Like I said, it's got the soft shell ballistic nylon material around the outside. Of course, pockets like on most jackets. You got one on the right and the left. This mesh goes right in, so if you want a little bit extra airflow, that probably will help a little bit, but they also have some zippers right underneath the armpits that go down the side to get you some extra airflow right there. The airflow wasn't massive on this jacket. You know, I could get by in 85, 90 degree heat here in Texas. Then in the back, we've still got the back pad SassTech armor. So there's an inner zipper to add a liner later on if you want to do so. Here is an inner pocket right here. No pocket on the right side, but you still have left and right pockets on the outside and this kind of large pouch over here. That is the Raptor. And again, you got armor up in the shoulders and down in the elbows and forearm area. Same thing on the airborne jacket. I didn't show you that, but armor throughout the arms and on the back. Here is the Predator jacket, and it's a similar style to what I just showed you, except instead of a full zipper down the front to put it on like a normal jacket, it's a pullover with a half zip. So comes down like this, makes it a little bit easier to put on. And then on the stomach, you have this like kangaroo pouch that zips open. You can just, you know, put stuff in there. It does have a comfort zipper on the left and right side if you want to expand that a little bit. It's got some adjustability with the strap around the waist. If you want to just clip that in to make things a little bit tighter, you can do so. And then let me see if there's anything else. So the cool thing about this one, it's got like the leather kind of patch sections on the shoulders and then on the back, which just makes this jacket look a lot cooler than if it was just the nylon throughout. But yeah, that is the Predator. Very, very cool. And there's a ton of other options available. Everything is available now. It's ready to ship. I think they have free shipping for the first 24 hours, and they have a couple special edition jackets as well in certain colorways. You should go check it out. I think I just checked, they have 11 different jackets for launch day. So go check them out at the link down in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed checking these out. Let me know which jacket you guys want to see me wear in videos, and I'll reach out to Enginehawk and see if I can make that happen. Make sure you head over to Instagram so you guys can enter the giveaway to win a jacket. Otherwise, you guys have been awesome. I've been Motonosity. Remember, life started with horsepower. Keep life live. And I'll see you guys in the next one.